Hi, I'm Drew from Weems Plath, and I'm here to talk about the Ultralight Divider. It's one of Weems Plath's most popular products, and certainly by far our best-selling divider compass combination. So when you get the package, this is what it looks like. It's a sturdy box, which is going to be a great place to store the divider if you like. It also comes with some spare pieces that I will show you in a moment. So this is the divider. It's a divider and a compass, and the reason it's called that is because it actually has points, and it also comes with pencil lead so that you can measure distances. You can also put the pencil lead in and scribe an arc or make a circle. So one of the great things about this divider is that it actually is used one-handed. You can do it like this, or you can, for fine-tuned precision, you can use the wheel. It's got a very heavy-duty worm gear. You can use the wheel here, which gives you the ability to measure it. So with it, you get a little case that includes spare points. Now, the points that come with it are actually very fine, and these points are a little bit broader. These are good if you're worried about poking into the chart. Get two of those, and you also get pencil lead so that and these are actually carved so that there's a sharp point on one side to make it, to aid in precision. Two of those, and you get a little wheel, and the wheel is what holds the point in place. And you pull the point out, put the new point in, and then tighten it in the wheel. And so that's how you replace those. All these replacement parts are available from Weems Plath. And if you want more information, visit weems-plath.com. And you should also know that, like all of our other products, our other navigation instruments, all of our products in the navigation category carry a lifetime guarantee. Thanks for watching.